Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the delivery address on FedEx. It's very easy thing to do, update your address. First of all, you have to go to Google and search for www.fedex.com and hit the enter button or search icon over your laptop or PC. You will get this official website here. Now just go to the official website. Right, now here you can just go to the location, you have to go to the tracking and you have to enter your tracking number or tracking ID and just click on track. After tracking, it will show you all the shipments which you have did. Right, now here you have to select the shipment you want to change the delivery address for a click to modify shipment or edit delivery address. Once you have done that, update the delivery address with the correct information, including any apartment, suite number, double check the details to ensure accuracy. Provide your contact information and make sure those contact information are active. In case FedEx need to reach out to you about the address change. Review and submit your changes. You will receive a case number for this request. If they encounter an issue or need further assistance, you can always contact FedEx customer support. They will always help you with the chatbot as well as the customer care. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.